Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here to talk about the slot system and the slot machines that we've added to our gaming floor. Back in October of 2016, we started moving machines around on the floor. We had 820 slot machines on the floor at that time. Our goal is to move up to 900 machines.
I don't think I could even begin to guess how many slot moves have happened here in the last 6 or 8 months since we started repopulating the gaming floor. I know that the EG group could put that number together, but it's pretty much been almost a daily routine for us to be adding power, adding comm lines with the IT team.
During that process, in all, we've run nearly 100,000 feet of wire.
In the last year, yeah, I've probably been here every hour of the day at some point in time during the process.
So you may not have seen us, actually doing the work, but behind the walls and working around the clock, we've had to move the machines, run cable, run new power, all the infrastructure that it takes to bring these machines up.
Part of the running the wire we did in 2 days on the new section of the floor. We had to run 600 wires in 2 days. And when you terminate that, 600 wires would be 1,200 terminations.
During the 2-ticket system, there was a high level of frustration with our guests, understandably so, because you couldn't take this ticket from the machine here to the machine next door maybe. Now we can officially announce, regardless of the color of the ticket, it will go in all the machines and into the ticket redemption machines.
And a big thank you for standing by us and being here with us while we go through this, while we move from a new system, going from a 2-ticket system down to a 1-ticket system. As you can see, when you come in, you'll be able to use any ticket in any machine, and with the ticket redemption machines also, you'll be able to put either the green ticket or the white ticket into those machines.
We've got a little over a week to get ready for what we're kind of calling our soft opening on the weekend of May 5th, May 4th and 5th. Actually, we've got a concert on May 4th with a local talent that you guys are going to all be excited to see. Our stage is in the final throes of getting completed. We are in the process of starting to populate the gaming floor in front of the sports bar for that weekend.
Come out for our grand reopening on May 11th through the 13th. We'll have lots of giveaways and exciting stuff going on. So come out and check out our new areas and our new slot machines, our new system for downloading credits.
We have some very exciting news for all of you. As of last Friday at 4:59 p.m. we have finally converted all of our ticket machines to accept any ticket. So there's no more frustration or confusion, just fun. To celebrate this milestone on our casino floor, we are going to burn these green ticket machine signs, because you can now insert any ticket into any machine on our floor and you will be good to game. Woo. All right, let's set this thing on fire. Stay tuned in these next couple of days. All of our green ticket signs will be coming down, and you can use any ticket on any machine at any time. We will see you on the gaming floor. Now, yes. You gotta slice the air. It's not much of a grand throw, but that's all right.